Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do a variety of different videos including daily, weekly, weekend food hauls, haul videos from places such as TK Maxx, B&M, Superdrug, Boots, Matalan, and I also do beauty box unboxings from Pink Parcel and Degustabox, and I do food subscription boxes from Degustabox, and I also do sourced box unboxings. Today's video is a video that I've done before. It is a Rosefield watch unboxing. There is two on this channel as well. There is the gold version of this watch and there is the rose gold version of this box. So as you can see, I've got a gift set from Rosefield and it's the Mercer Watch, the 38mm one. As I said, I have two of them already and the videos are on the channel, and there's a playlist for all watch unboxings because I've done a few watch unboxings. So I bought this from ASOS. I had it in my wish list for a long time and I wanted a watch in this colour because I don't have a watch in just this colour. I have one with this colour and another colour, and I don't want to say what colour it is yet because obviously you've not seen it. As you can see, it's come in this gorgeous gift box. It's quite a nice size gift box. Inside the box you get, in every box you get one of these basically, and it's the tool to adjust the watch. As you can see, I've got the silver watch with a silver bracelet. It's a very tiny bracelet, but it worked out the same price to buy the gift set as it would have cost to get the watch. So first things first, this bracelet is not massive in size. If you had a big wrist, I wouldn't recommend it. I don't have large wrists. They're not tiny wrists, but I'd say they're average size wrists, and you know, I feel like it would be uncomfortable on a large wrist because of the shape of it. It's not round. So that's how you get in and out of it. You just press, like, you kind of release it. I don't want to do it because it took me a while to get on. And then it's just got like this on it that says, just says Rosefield on that little thing. It's probably not going to focus, but that is the bracelet. So here's the watch. It is the 38mm one, which my other two are as well, and it's actually really stunning in silver. I'm surprised I've taken this long to get it in this colour, but I don't have a silver watch. The nearest I've got is a Michael Kors one and it's silver and rose gold, but I just like this. It's very, very nice. It's got the white face and it's got the silver hardware. It's got the silver hands and the silver whatever they're called. It's got a really nice strap, easy to wear. This moves along and that's what the tool's for. I need to actually adjust my other watches. I've never adjusted them and they're a bit too large. This is the reverse of the watch. It's really nice, it's comfortable to wear. As you can see, this is a really gorgeous watch, but it's just an absolutely stunning watch. So it is a really stunning watch. It says Rosefield there, if it'll focus. And it's so easy to wear and it's not heavy. And I don't think I'm even going to need to adjust that because I do like them loose, but that is not too loose. It's a perfect watch. It'd make a lovely gift for someone if you wanted to buy them something really nice that will last them a long time. It's perfect for that. I'm not too bothered about the bracelet, but as I said, it did come as a set. I don't know if I'd wear them together, but I might do because it's part of a set, but I do love the watch. I like my gold one and my rose gold one, but this is something else. I do highly recommend these watches. They're really nice, and even though I have linked the two videos on screen earlier, I will put them in the description box as well. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and I'll answer in the comments. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like the video so then you're alerted every time I upload a video. Especially if you like watch videos, I will do a couple more in the next month or so. And thank you for watching everyone. Bye.